Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can open up Odoo in Localhost. So let's get right into it. Now, you are going to be running a database or your Odoo database in your local host, and for that, of course, you need to have Odoo installed on your device, and you also have to have a couple of different things. Now, you won't be using WAMP, which is used for a lot of other local host operations with other programs. However, for this, you're just going to need a couple of things. You're going to need Python with some modules, and you're going to need PostgreSQL, and that should be enough. Now, if you want to do a clean install, you can install Odoo into your machine. You can use whichever version you want, and then that'll just set up all the necessary environment tools automatically, but you should also manually upload your data into a fresh install, which means that you should have either access to your company's database, or you should have a copy or a duplicate of that database, which you can then put into your Odoo installation to set everything up. Now, once you do that, you can very easily run it. You can run odoo.py with your Python, which you have installed on your device. This says you should have Python 2.7.x or 2.7. Whatever, or I'm pretty sure for newer versions it's Python 3.10. Don't quote me on that. Research it yourself. But once you have everything set up, then all you need to do is run your entire database and everything, and then to access it through localhost, you just need to go into your web browser, type in localhost:8069, and then that's gonna give you access to your Odoo installation. And once you've done that, that's pretty much it. Of course, once you set everything up, it's really easy to set up. Odoo pretty much sets up everything itself. Then you just need to put in your database data, and then just run Odoo through Python, and then access localhost, and that's pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.